Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off Microsoft Defender in Windows 10. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process to disable the real-time scanning feature. Let's get started. Step 1. Press Start. Step 2. Click the gear-shaped settings icon in the lower left side of the Start menu. This will open the settings window. Step 3. Click on Updates and Security. Step 4. Now, click on Windows Security. You'll find it in the upper left side of the window. Step 5. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. It's the first option below the protection areas, heading near the top of the page. This will open the Windows Defender window. Step 6. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings. Step 7. Finally, disable Microsoft Defender's real-time scanning. Please note that turning off real-time protection will leave your device vulnerable until it's turned back on. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off Microsoft Defender's real-time scanning feature in Windows 10. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to disable Microsoft Defender in Windows 10. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy computing.